before we go further, let's just go ahead and do the same for our tags. So let's have a tag page. So we'll head over and we'll just rapidly create a tag.blade.php, and this tag page is just gonna look like our category. So we'll copy everything and we'll paste it right there, and right here we're gonna say tag, and we're gonna equal the tag name. So tag, and the next thing we're gonna loop through is the tag post. So for each tag post as post, then we can equal that post, and for each. So that's all up for our tags, and we go to our web.php to get that link. So right here we're gonna have a route, and it's gonna be a get, and this is gonna go to /tag/id. So it's gonna receive id as a parameter. Then we'll pass in the uses, and it's gonna use the front end controller at tag, and we'll just say as tag.single right there. Okay, so let's head over to that controller. So in our front end controller, we just need to create that method. So public function tag, and right here we're going to be passing in the id. So right here we just find the tag, and we'll say tag equals tag find for that id, and we're going to return the view that we just created, and this is the tag view, and we have to return with some data. Obviously the first one is the tag, so we'll say tag should be tag right here. And next thing, we need to send the title of a page, and the title of the page is gonna be the tag. Okay, so right here we're just gonna say the tag is gonna be the title of the page, and right here we're also gonna pass the categories and the settings, which we're just gonna pass right here. Okay, so looks like our tag page is set up. Let's go ahead and see that in action. So I'll visit this page and I'll set up a route. Okay, so this all tags in my single.blade.php right at the bottom right here. I'm gonna set up those to actually go to some tags. So I'll set up the link and I'll say route should be tag.single, and right here is gonna receive the id like we said, and would say get the tag id right there as the parameter. So if we refresh, hopefully everything works well. We scroll to the bottom, and right here we should be able to visit the tag page, and so we have tag Laravel 5.4. there are no posts yet for that tag, but if we visit the tag for 4.6, there should be some posts right there. So for WordPress 4.6, so tag WordPress 4.6, we discovered that we have 1, 2, 3, quite a lot of posts right there. Okay, so everything works well. This is just a bootstrap detail, and we're going to be learning how to take care of this error because of different heights, but we're going to be learning that in a different tutorial. Okay, so but everything works well, and we see that we can actually display tags right here. So thank you very much, but let's go ahead and edit this, our header. So let's head over to our header.blade.php, and where we are displaying the categories, right here we're going to be linking to the category page. So we'll say routes, and right here we'll go ahead and say category.single, and right here we're going to say id, and we'll say category id. Okay, so if I refresh, our header should now be functional. If I click WordPress, it takes me to the category WordPress. If I click Laravel, it takes me to category Laravel. If I click Ruby on Rails, it takes me to that category. If I click tutorials, it takes me there. And if I click career, it takes me there. Okay, so that works perfectly. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video.